Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about how we can make a fake 3D effect. So in the last topic, we created some 3D shapes. So you can see that we created this star shape. So we talked about depth and other things. But what we haven't talked about is the axis. As you can see, this green axis is the y-axis, red is the x-axis, and blue is your z-axis. So you can change its angle if you want to. Then we have this, if you choose this, which is called a local axis mode. If you want to move this, you have to click here. Then it switches to world axis mode, and by this, it automatically comes in the middle in its shape. If you want to straighten this shape, you press world, the shape straightens. Then we have these few axis modes, with which you can adjust like this. You can see that. But we don't need this, so these are the properties which we use to adjust the form, position, and direction of shapes. Now we have to make a fake 3D effect with the R2D videos. So let me delete all of this. Let's just make a new composition. You can see that all the work we have discussed I have in my composition folder. I will just drag and drop this, and let's delete this too. In the composition folder, now we have our picture, 2D picture, you can see that. And this is our new emoji. I will just import this and add it in a layer, or I can just put it here to anything. So you can see that this is our photo. So to give this pic a 3D effect, we just have to search here CC Sphere. Now I will just drag this and add it in this layer as shown on the screen. That's it. This is how you can make a fake 3D effect. You can see that emoji are simple. I can adjust its rotation up, down, anywhere, and change its radius from big or small, from left or right. Then we have light. I can change its light like this, and you can also do shading as per your choice like this. I am doing it simply. You can fix its roughness. Normal is better. So this is how you can make a 3D effect. In the next topic, we will do an exercise and build a custom sequence with 3D shapes. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.